Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest beauty trends, hacks, and all things fabulous. Today, we're reviewing a game-changing product for those of you who want a flawless manicure without the hassle. Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press on Nails in the shade Baby Why So Blue. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just can't be bothered with waiting for polish to dry or dealing with all the mess. Enter the imPRESS Press on Nails. No glue, no waiting, just instant salon-quality nails. These nails are designed for those busy, stylish individuals who want a no-fuss, long-lasting mani. Let's break down whether these nails really live up to the hype. The imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails come in a striking blue shade called Baby Why So Blue, and with a Squoval shape that is both chic and versatile. What sets these nails apart is their PureFit Technology, which makes them incredibly slim and comfortable to wear, so they feel natural on your nails. You're also getting 30 nails in the kit, which means you have plenty of options for both hands and different nail sizes. Along with the nails, you'll get a prep pad, an instruction sheet, a mini file, and a manicure stick. It's everything you need for an easy application process. Now let's talk about how these nails perform in the real world. Applying them was an absolute breeze. All I had to do was prep my nails with the alcohol wipe, file the edges to my liking, and press them on. No glue involved, no mess, and no waiting for the nails to dry. The Super Hold adhesive technology ensures the nails stay in place without shifting, which is a huge win for anyone who's had press-on nails pop off unexpectedly. The hold lasted through daily activities, from typing to washing dishes, without budging. When it comes to comfort, these nails feel surprisingly light and flexible. Way less bulky than the traditional press-ons you might be used to. I was expecting them to feel heavy, but they really blended seamlessly with my natural nails, almost like they were custom made for me. The best part? They're durable. These nails are chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, which means they'll keep looking fresh no matter what. I wore them for about a week and didn't see a single chip or crack. That's impressive, especially for a press-on nail. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: easy and quick application, no glue, no mess. Super slim and comfortable fit thanks to PureFit Technology. Strong, long-lasting wear with Super Hold adhesive. Affordable and convenient DIY mani at home. Available in a variety of shades, so you can find the perfect color for every occasion. Cons: while the comfort is there, some might prefer a slightly more customizable fit for their nails, as these are pre-sized. Not everyone is into the press-on nail look, so this might be for everyone who prefers traditional manicures. So, are these nails worth the price? In terms of value for money, absolutely. Considering the fact that you can get a professional-looking manicure at home without spending hours at the salon, this is a steal. Plus, the longevity of the nails, lasting over a week without any chips or cracks, definitely justifies the cost. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other press-on nails available that offer similar convenience, but I'd say these are among the most durable and comfortable on the market. There are other brands like Static Nails and Dashing Diva that offer similar press-ons, but the Super Hold adhesive on these really takes the cake in terms of lasting power and ease of use. As for build quality, the nails are well constructed with a smooth gel finish that gives them a salon-quality look. The packaging is sleek, and everything you need to apply the nails is right there in the box. No extra purchases necessary. Now, before I wrap up, if this review is helping you find your next press-on mani, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Your support helps us keep making honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. To sum it up, I think imPRESS press-on nails are an excellent option for anyone who loves the look of a gel manicure without the commitment. They're easy to apply, last a long time, and come in a variety of colors and sizes. If you're tired of the usual nail polish routine or need a last-minute mani for a special event, these nails are your new best friend. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase these nails in the description box below. And if you've tried imPRESS nails before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite shade? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.